Hello everybody, welcome to a Team Fortress 2 uncrating video. Today we're uncrating 3 Brown Summer 2013 Cooler Series and 3 Manco Strongbox Series 81. Alright, let's start with the summer. Whew. Whew. Great. Yeah! Sweet, that's cool. I like that. That's cool looking. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ooh. That looks cool. I like it. Ooh, which one? Which one? Which one? Let's do this one. Yeah. Oh, I wonder if I'll get an unusual. I love an unusual. Okay. Alrighty then. Oh, that was what I've gotten. Alright. So this is that series right there. That's all I got. Alright. Let's see what I get. I have that! No! No! Please don't give me duplicates of things I already have. Unusual? Ooh, sweet, I needed that. Well, didn't need, I wanted. This one. Yep. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna look until I throw it. What is it? Ah, I have that! No! Well, at least I can mash some of this stuff together, turn it into another hat. Alright, let's do that now. Where is it? Where? Hey, look, the soulmate's already there. That and craft. Craft is not terrible. Yeah, I don't care. Hey, Stout Shacko, yay. Alright, let's see how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna put on the items that I got. Alright. Pretty. I like that eagle though. That eagle's cool. I like it. Alright. Let's find. I have to take that off. Replace it with that. That's so cool. I love it. I've been wanting one of those. Okay, so the other thing was for engineer. That. Okay. Okay. That looks kind of good with the snow set. I guess. What else did I get? Backpack. Oh, I got. Okay. Trencher's Tapper. Oh, I got that for the medic. Yeah. Spec item. Oops. Nope. 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 Go to loadout. Medic. Let's see him doing a taunt with it. Okay. Okay, I guess. That's cool. That's cool. Well, I guess that's it for this first uncrating video. That was good, I guess. I got new things. That's good. So, yeah, see you in the next video. Yay! 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 Yay!